Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to recover Instagram deleted post. So first of all, open Instagram account. Click on the profile icon. Look at the corner, tap on three line. Click on your activity. Scroll down, recently deleted. Tap on this post. Tap on three dot. Click on restore. Okay, now done. That's how we can easily recover Instagram deleted post. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial revert channel for more video.